Hello friends, today's lesson is about knot on short thread. This knot refers to intercorporeal knots. It is used when a thread breaks and in other case when the thread becomes short. This technique is rarely used, but we decided to show it to you. So, we grab the needle and stitch the fabric. And don't forget to watch the tip of the thread. Grab the needle with your instrument, form an arc, and then form your first loop. We decided to make a slip knot with a short thread. Don't forget that we form the second loop in parallel direction to the first loop. As you can see, we are pointing to the end of the needle parallel to the needle holder, which helps us to much as possible with a short thread. And forming the knot. And as you can see, with a short thread, it's also possible to make a fast and high quality knot.